Welcome to my channel. These products are very high quality on my channel. I've been working on Amazon's best products for a long time. Of course you will like. Check the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. TCP Global Professional 23-piece Spray Gun Cleaning Kit with Case. The ultimate cleaning kit that's ideal for cleaning all types of spray guns, such as suction, gravity, pressure feed, detail HVLP, as well as airbrushes. Includes all brushes and components needed for cleaning every gun part. 3 mini end brushes and holder, 6 micro needle packs and holder, 5-piece mini brush set, 3 sizes of flexible tube cleaning brushes, 1 firm metal tube cleaning brush, 1 large general purpose brush, 1 bottle of spray gun lubricant, 1 compartmentalized storage case. Number 2. VONFORN Paint Sprayer-2024 HVLP Spray Gun. Before spraying, you can use the dust-blowing joint with the paint sprayer to blow away the dust debris on the surface to get a better surface spraying effect. After spraying, connect the cleaning connector to the faucet to clean the residual paint inside the pipe for easy cleaning. The paint sprayer can be easily assembled with no tools. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily get started after reading the manual. It is very important to clean the paint sprayer thoroughly after use. It comes with a cleaning brush and a needle to clean paint left in the nozzle part. Number 3. VONFORN Paint Sprayer-2024 HVLP Spray Gun with cleaning and blowing joints. VONFORN 700W paint sprayer equipped with 4 size Nozzles 1mm, 1.5mm, 2mm, 3.0mm for most painting projects, such as furniture, pickup, walls, doors, garden tables and chairs, etc. Can be adjusted to 3 different spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, so that it can be applied to a wide range of application scenarios. Before spraying, you can use the dust-blowing joint with the paint sprayer to blow away the dust debris on the surface to get a better surface spraying effect. After spraying, connect the cleaning connector to the faucet to clean the residual paint inside the pipe for easy cleaning. Number 4. Buendio Paint Sprayer-700W High Power. Buendio 700W paint sprayer can be adjusted to 3 different spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, so that it can be applied to a wide range of application scenarios. Equipped with 5 size nozzles for any painting projects, such as furniture, fence, interior walls, garage doors, garden tables and chairs, etc. The motor uses a fuse with temperature protection. When a certain temperature is reached, the motor will automatically cut off the power supply to extend the service life. Brass nozzle has superior performance than plastic nozzle, avoiding damage caused by falling or squeezing. Not easy to be clogged, and easy to clean. Number 5. Paint Sprayer, Electric Paint Spray Gun. Machine paint sprayers, using pure copper inner circulation. Dual power 700W powerful motor. Single machine speed 34,000 RPM min, PCABS high strength material nozzle. Faster than traditional roller or brush spray tool. Container capacity 35 FL ounces. The maximum capacity can reach 1200 milliliters container. Equipped with nozzles, gloves, cleaning accessories, and viscosity cups, you can quickly paint colors according to your own ideas, saving time and enjoying the joy of Our paint sprayer gun offers a range of options to cater to your diverse painting requirements. With 6 different size nozzles and 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, you can easily select the ideal nozzle and spray pattern for any project.